Yeah, I'm still here in the house, but I'm now really ready to go. We're going to sit down here for a little bit. So this is how it is. Yeah, residential, a yacht, so much yacht in there, over there. Yeah, so we drive coming from far away from that side. Yeah, and now I'm going to check where is the hotel that I'm going to stay tonight. We are here in Belmont. Yeah, and here there's McDonald's. Yeah, this is a busy town. There are so many cars, but not so much people. Yeah. This area is the Pacific Highway. I realized that Pacific Highway is different from the motorway Pacific Highway. And from here we will be just walking because I don't want to go to the other side to drive, because it is hot on that side. In here we can walk and it's relaxed. Yo, so we are now here in this hotel and it's beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, and this is the room. I'm on the second floor, but yeah, the lady downstairs, she let me put the bike inside. Yeah, I need to put the bike inside because I'm going to charge it. At the moment it is hot. I need to switch on the air condition. Yeah, and look at this. A very low sink, a toilet, and a shower. It's old, but it's very clean looking. We're going to eat this. I already made a coffee coming from this hot water. Yeah, we're going down. Down is really good looking. There's no sun at the moment. And actually that lady in yellow looks like a Filipina. We're going to the town center. We're going to have dinner. I'm very hungry. I am really cravings for Filipino food, at least Asian food. The time now is 6:47, but yeah, in this afternoon it was become cloudy. That is why it's a little dark already. The town center, where the shops are, actually a little bit far from the hotel where I am staying. Almost 7 o'clock. There's no people around here, just cars. Okay, that's it. We are going back now. Actually, there's also, I don't see guests in McDonald's. Yeah, we go back. All these cars that are parked in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them are waiting for their takeaway. Yeah, Chinese takeaway are very common in every town center, in every city. Yeah, usually just a takeaway. They put some tables and chairs, but nothing, no one's really eat inside. Mostly they are just waiting, or some usually come to pick up. Yeah, I'm going to eat it in the hotel. The hotel is more than 1 kilometer more to walk. It's alright. It's alright to walk because yeah, this place is new to me, so seeing things is entertaining. Now I understand why there's no so much people in here, because this area, this is a main road, yeah, Pacific Highway, and most of the building here, yeah, are just establishment, not a residential area. Mostly are offices and shops and restaurants. It is now 7:24. I'm still a little bit far. Like this residential area, but you don't see people. They are already in their house inside watching Netflix. And this is the one that I ordered. This seafood nasi goreng and spring roll. Beautiful. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we're going to check out now. It's already almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is how it is. Oh, it is actually raining. Yeah, there's some kind of a sprinkle of water you can see from there. So we stay for a little bit. Actually looks like there's nothing. I don't see any more droplets. Yeah. And so we are going to wear this. This coming from Cassie and Roy. They gave it to me on the very first time that we met. This is basically the property where I stayed last night. Yeah, and I'm going to check out night now. And you know, while I slept, while on my bed last night, I constantly hearing squawking of bed. Yeah. Yeah, before like around 10 o'clock I heard that squawking, and then I fall asleep, and from that time I wake up because I heard the squawking. Yeah, I thought oh wow, how come they keep on doing that? You know, I have that in mind. And then in the morning when I wake up, I check outside and I noticed that there is actually no people next door, because I can actually see what is inside. Yeah, there are no people on both sides of my unit, of my room. And that's when I see this duck, hear the quack. Yeah, so basically it's those ducks that are quacking. They are sounds like a bed that constantly moving. Nice experience, beautiful view, clean, awesome. And it's actually in the residential area of this Pacific Highway. And notice that there are so many cars that are coming. Yeah, they are going to work. And on the other side, very less cars. I can see that there are many helicopters there. It is always a relief whenever there is a bikeway, a shared way like this. It's good to be far away from the vehicles. And all the trees that I am seeing here are all the same. They have that beautiful yellow white flowers. Yeah, looks beautiful. It's more residential area. And from here I can see the water again. Oh, we are now reaching the Swansea. There are some cyclists. Yeah, they are really fast. A while ago I saw another group. I tried to catch them, but they are really fast. Along the way, seeing all the other hotels, yeah, I realized, I would say I'm very satisfied where I stayed last night, the hotel where I stayed, because yeah, it has the beautiful view, clean, it's good. If you are curious, or if you want to know about the things that I mentioned in the video, like which hotel is that, yeah, I'm going to link that in the description. Everything, even the things that I am using, that I am wearing, like my microphone, my camera, my bike, all of them are in the description below. Yeah, and of course I am an affiliate. It means that if you buy from the site, they will give me a little commission, and that commission will help me to travel more, to explore more, to have a cup of coffee. You know, that would be a big help. Oh, there are two guys, they are fishing. And we are now here in the Swansea Channel. Good morning. Just going to go fishing. Oh, there's like a mall on this other side. We're not going there. Yeah, that's the Woolworth is for sure. All the other supermarket, grocery department store and shops is in there. So that area is like the CBD of this town, Swansea, but most of the establishments are still closed, so we're not going there. Okay, we stop here for a little bit because we're going to figure out where is actually the way. Maybe this way, that way, and there is actually one more on that side. Oh, I am taking this road because yeah, this one is out of the way, but it's I saw in the Google map that is going to Cave Beach. I heard Cave Beach before in one of the comments, and yeah, I'm going to have a look how it looks like in person. Those students, they just get down from the bus. I wonder why the girls, they are wearing very short you know, very short what's that, very short skirt. Yeah, all the western school, they all wear short skirt. Oh, they have a beautiful yeah, community here in Cave Beach. Nice. Houses are looks expensive in here, similar to Nelson Bay. There are some nice breakfast restaurant. I am tempted to eat. Yeah, there is another one on this side. I'm actually tempted to eat, but yeah, I had my breakfast this morning, the leftover from last night, the nasi goreng. Yeah, I had that this morning. And also it's too early still. 9:03. Awesome. This is a beautiful community. Look at the houses, beautiful, facing to the water. Amazing. That's basically the town where we came from, and this is the beach that they have, Caves Beach, and this one is Hams Beach. Very nice waves they have. It is good that I come here. This one is out of the way going to Sydney, but yeah, to see it is amazing. It's beautiful. Okay, that's it in there. We go to the Caves Beach instead. Oh, there is one guy, he's picking up bottles from the garbage. That is not the right place to leave the bike because it's a parking area, but there are so many space. People can park more than that. Also, I am going to be just quick. And of course, my shoes, I am wearing my working shoes because this one is flexible. I can use it in the sand without making my foot dirty. Oh, that's why they call it Cave Beach, because there's one cave. We are not going to the cave. It's a little far. Also, it's just a cave, I'm sure. And this is how it is. I can see there's one ship, one, another big one, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So this Cave Beach, we are going now. Yeah, they have a nice facility in here. This is basically their shower, toilet. There's the Cave Beach Life Saving Center. That is where the office, the restaurant. That unisex toilet is actually everywhere around here in Australia. Even in the train station, you're going to see a unisex toilet. Wow, zooming in the Google map, I realized that I can actually go to the next destination without using the main road. Yeah, there are some small like a walking track that I can go through. I mean, it is shortcut. Yeah, so we're going to do that now. It is now raining. I don't see any space for me to stop. Yeah, there's no covered area. Whoa, we're going to be wet.